Good afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here at Rockingham Speedway in front of the pit garage that will be filled this weekend with drift racing cars with the Grassroots Series. Myrtle Beach Drifts will be in town Saturday, July 29th, and Sunday. They will have the third round in the series, and it will be 80s theme titled Metal on Metal. You can find out more information about this event on the Myrtle Beach Drift Racing Series Facebook page and also their websites where you can purchase tickets for the event. Tonight there is a painting event at Hudson Brothers with Pink Piggy Paint Night. There is a charge for this event, and you can see the event information and also sign up on the Hudson Brothers Facebook page. In Hamlet, they will have Thursday Throwdown at the Ballroom with Sandhills Shag Club. There's live music in town tonight. At Hudson Brothers, they will have Sandhills Acoustic, and in Hamlet at Axe to Grind, they will have the Ponder Project. Also at Hideaway Tavern, they will have a bike night. More information on all of these events is available on Facebook under event pages. On Saturday, July 29th, in addition to the Myrtle Beach Drift event here at Rockingham Speedway, they will have Carolina No Time across the street at Rockingham Dragway, and at Hinson Lake in Rockingham, the Richmond County Disc Golf Group will have a Trilogy Challenge. You can find out more on the Richmond County Disc Golf Group Facebook group. And also in Rockingham, the Rockingham Farmers Market will be set up as usual from 8 a.m. until 12 p.m. on Saturday. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. Make sure you are subscribed to our blog so you can receive our Richmond County Tourism Development Authority newsletter that goes out every Monday. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We hope to see you here at the track across the street, or around town at all the many events this weekend. If not, we will definitely see you next week.